AI is everywhere. Like without AI, there is we can't do any work or any task. So without there is no place left without AI also. So what tools or technologies are you currently using for AI?
See, AI is much talked about and less understood term in today's industrial scenario, not only in IT but everywhere. You go to any industry, no, we are doing this project on AI. What do you mean actually when you say that I want to do this project on AI? Have you ever studied whether it requires AI or not? If I deploy artificial intelligence to do a certain job, what is the outcome? What benefits me or my organization will get from it? What better things can be done with that? All these questions are very rarely asked internally. So, organizational introspection is absolutely necessary to really start the journey of AI. If you want to start a journey of AI, you need to lay a foundation. How does AI work? It queries data, draws inferences, and gives you a recommendation, right?
Yes.
Right.
It is easy and smart way we can say like it gives solutions and
But assume that your underlying data is manipulated.
okay.
Then answers and inferences will also be manipulated. So people today, I mean, there are good guys, bad guys, right? You take an example of ChatGPT or any such commonly available AI tools in the market, which students and professors use merrily. And it throws out some information in a well-structured manner, and you read it, you really like it, and you start believing it. And there are very few people who will really validate the information presented on the screen. There are people supplying falsified information to AI engines so that they talk their language. So that is called hallucination of data. Right? So you have to be very sure when you have to deploy AI into your organization, is my data truthful and correct? Am I deploying any AI algorithm or any AI engine or any AI tool which is going to connect to my golden database? When I say golden database, it is verified, trusted database.
It's really important.
Yes,
Connect.
obviously. And the database to be concurrent and regularly updated requires a discipline. So AI deployment, though it will sound as a great achievement in organization, but the key essence to deploy AI is discipline. If you are not disciplined by creating that data, your AI engine will throw out wrong results. And finally, it will be AI which will be blamed for misreporting or wrong performance or not working properly. So that is how it is. So what we will be trying to do in this organization is we'll clean up the data, align it properly, create a foundation which is absolutely trustworthy. Once that is there, then we'll construct all the buildings of AI on that foundation, and we're done with it.
Yes, so like as you said, like before testing, AI is useful or not, or AI is required or not in your like organization or the you can say the project or the software you are developing. So you really want to check like AI is can be connected and can't be misused. Like we can't misuse the especially in you are in the field of IT, so the project or system can't be misused. So we need to be a totally careful way the AI which is be getting used to give the proper solution of software. So it's like giving it can't be misused. Like AI can't give bad result.
Right. So before you deploy AI and adopt to AI, your AI project, whatever you are supposed to or are going to launch in your company, has to be approved by a governing body within the organization.
Oh.
So what would the typical AI proposal to governing body or governing council would be? This is the AI module which I am going to deploy in our organization. It is expected that this module will deliver so much. It will give this kind of result. It will propel the revenue cycle. It will enable the sales force. It will enable the location services. It will do this. It will do that. Whatever that AI module is going to do, we'll list it out.
Features and all, and
Features and outcomes. It's more important to list out the outcomes. Feature can be designed, but the
can be added.
yeah, and if that feature does not deliver a required outcome, doesn't matter, right? So let management have a clear view of once they sponsor AI project into the organization, whether the outcomes are in proportion with the sponsorship and time and money involvement or not.
Revenue generation.
Yes. Once that is there, then you have a clear charter of project.
Okay, with AI involvement in it.
Yes. Once you have clear charter, then run that AI deployment project and measure the actual results, what was planned and what is being delivered. If there is any delta that you have planned for 10 items, 10 points to be delivered and it is delivering only 6, that means your success rate is 60%, right? So what happened to that 40% which was planned and did not get delivered? Do debugging of your approach, solve that and make it 100%. That is how AI adoption in organization can progress.
Yes, exactly. AI is now only making a huge impact. So after next few years, I'm sure definitely it can't be replaced. So what do you think? What role AI will play in your industry in the next few years?
See, adoption of AI to cater to volumes is imperative. Everybody has to do that. What does that mean? That there should not be roadside shops for developing AI tools. There has to be a trusted source where you source your artificial intelligence tools. Best is it has to be a collaborative effort between the consumer, that are companies, and the developer who is going to create that tool. Before assigning any workload to any developer or any software company for your AI needs, you have to make sure that the company understands your business domain. Like I am in healthcare and health technologies. So if I want to get any AI application or any AI agent developed for my organization to run my hospitals, I will need that company who is going to do that project, who is going to develop and give me my AI tooling, to have at least couple of doctors who understand the clinical processes. I need that they should have some hospital administration background. They should know how hospitals work, how healthcare is delivered. So this domain expertise is absolutely necessary for any hospital to appoint a vendor who is going to do that. And this is true for all. Whether you are manufacturing or a process or maybe entertainment industry or whatever, wherever you require anything from the AI, you need to have a company who has got corresponding domain expertise in that. Unless that domain expertise is there, nothing is going to flourish. Because you don't want to hire a company which can do coding, right? You want to hire a company which can give you solution, no matter what language and what development platform they use. But that solution should be connected to your enterprise and offer intelligence over there. So that is how it is.
Said proper solution can help us to move ahead.
Correct.
2-3 solution or alternative won't work at a time. The proper correct thing to work in the proper fitting in that box which we are lacking a space, so that when can we move ahead in our organization.
Perfect.